Hey guys, I have a couple of seating chart ideas I wanted to pass along to you. I know attendance has been one of the biggest pains in the rear of this whole distance learning thing. It's probably going to continue to be one of the biggest pains when we go back to the A-B schedule and start up. So I wanted to share a couple ideas that people have come up with. So the first thing you need to do is look at your student tracks to determine the size of your A-B groups. In PowerSchool, you'll do that by looking in your report queue. Now, once you do that, what you're going to do is you're going to go through and determine the number of kids in each class, like count up the number of A's and the number of B's, because you'll need that when we go to make these. Now, the two models I want to talk about are the toggle model. This was brought up by Steve Stark. Great job, Steve. And what you're going to do is create two seating charts in PowerSchool and switch views depending on the day. So the good thing about this one is the students that are in class will be over here in your grid, and the kids that aren't in class, your distance learners or your opposite group, will be over here in this column right here. It'll be very easy to mark them DVP. So that is what the toggle model looks like. Now, the other model is the mirror model. And what this is you create a side-by-side model of your class. So you're going to have double the number of desks. And you place your A students on one side, your B students on the other. Sorry, bell. And then your distance learning kids are going to be in that column. So what that looks like is this right here. So you'd have your A students on one side, your B students on the other, and then your distance learning kids would be right there. But those are two ways that it would be easier to help you guys take attendance on day one. And then as far as sharing that with students, you can either number your desks with like a Post-it note, or you could just project the seating chart from PowerSchool up on the board. But I hope that will be an easier way to take attendance and get kids in their seats. If you need any help or you have any questions, as always, don't be afraid to reach out. I'm here to help you guys and support you guys in any way that I can.